what would you say, Andre, are the habits of what you would call successful traders?
I think discipline. I think discipline of following what you believe in to be correct, whether you're right or wrong. Discipline of, following a strategy, not getting emotional. And I'd say for me, the most difficult part I found, and I think is the most difficult part with everyone who has tried to day trade or whatever, is not trading. Not trading, and when it's the wrong time, when you're not sure what you're doing, and you're just doing out of frustration, desperation, and you need to make money. And in fact, I'd say being desperate for an income is almost a very good guarantee that you're going to lose whatever you have anyway, and you're going to go down even further. I'd say you need to have some kind of comfort level to trade from.
And is that why you recommend it's good to have another focus,
Yes.
Not to do it full time?
Not to do it full time. And I say the most successful traders probably don't trade full time. If I trade, I sometimes do it on my phone. I don't have to look at million screens. I can do it on my phone, and I look at commodity, whatever. Doesn't matter what it is, and I just, I trade, and I go to the park. Then I have a meal, and I see what's happened, and I have certain timings in my head when the market is more volatile and what isn't. And of course, it's the I Sigma strategy. If you're committing yourself, and you're young, and you don't want to listen to me, that you don't want to be, a full-time trader, you probably want to be, and okay, fine, good. If that's what you want, if you've got the energy and whatever, then you need the right strategy. And I think successful traders, that's what they do. They have discipline and focus. They have discipline and focus, and they don't trade when they shouldn't. And I think that is a very important part. Don't trade if you in your gut you feel is the wrong time. Don't trade if you haven't done your research. Don't trade if you're guessing. Trade when you know.
Use your intuition.
Use your intuition, and intuition is a very important, aspect. It's gut feeling. If you're putting a trade and you're doing it out of fear, you're gonna lose. I assure you're gonna lose it. But if you're coming from a place of confidence, and that confidence is because your computer knows that you've figured this out, you're going the right way. You've done your homework. You've followed the strategy that you have. Then you will lose. Then you will win. But habits of I don't know. Maybe they get up in the morning. I don't know what they do. Jump in the swimming pool. I don't know what they do. But yeah, that's I would say for me, that's how I'm chilled.
And having a balance in life.
And having a balance in life, and don't check your price every minute. You're gonna have a heart attack. You're gonna have a nervous breakdown. And I think a lot of people who do that and prolonged periods, they become very depressed. So have a balance, have something else in life, and have something creative in life. I would say actually creating something creative. Look at beauty, look at, appreciate beauty, look at, listen to some music or whatever, and do exercise. Actually, whenever you had enough, go to the gym or something, or run or jog or whatever it is, row or whatever it is you do. But I think exercise is a good way of getting away, and then come back to it.
With a fresh mind.
With a fresh mind. And if you start losing money on something, close it. Don't hope. Don't hope, especially if you know that, in your gut, it's going to get worse. But you're just praying and hoping, and it becomes a gamble. It's not a gamble. You are playing a game which you can have advantage if you use the right strategy and if you're disciplined enough to follow it.